Hello viewers, welcome back to Alpa Active Learning. And children, today we are going to learn how to change the tense of a given sentences. Once you know this, you can easily do active, passive and direct, indirect speech. And knowledge of correct tense will help you for the sentence formation and accurate writing skill. So here we go. Children, let's just revise all the tenses and I'm going to give you certain key points. As you all know, each tense is divided into 4 tenses, that is simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So for simple present tense, we identify by helping verb am, is, are, the form of to have are have and has, do and does. So here we either write the action verb in the form of do and does. If it is continuous tense, children, we use am, is, are as a helping verb plus we put ing to the main verb. In case of present perfect tense, we use have and has plus past participle V3 form. And to write present perfect continuous tense, we write have or has plus been plus verb followed by ing. And as you all know, we use has only for the third person singular. Okay, so keep this thing in the mind. Now let's go for the past tense. For simple past tense, children, we use V2 form, or we know was and were. Past tense of have and has is had, that of do and does is did. For continuous, helping verb was, were plus verb followed by ing. Now for perfect, past perfect tense, we use had plus past participle known as V3 form. And for past perfect continuous tense, it will be had plus been plus verb followed by ing. Now future tense. For simple future tense, we are using will or shall plus the first form of verb or base form. For continuous, that is future continuous tense, we are putting or adding be. So it will be or shall be plus verb and followed by ing. Now for perfect future tense, again will have or shall have plus past participle, that is V3 form. For perfect continuous tense, will or shall have plus been plus verb followed by ing. So remember children, past participle means V3 form and base form means the main form. So let's go. The first sentence in front of you is we are walking in the evening. Second, Suman is running in the garden. Now children, we are going to change these two sentences, okay, in the different tenses. So first identify, we are walking and Suman is running. Yes, it's a present continuous tense. Now to change into simple present or present perfect or present perfect continuous, you need to identify the base form. So here the base form is walk. Now remember, once you know the base form, always recollect its 3 forms, that is walk, walked and walked. Same way for this sentence, base form is run. So run, ran and run. So now we'll go for simple present tense. So in simple present tense, we just use the base form depending upon the pronoun. So here it is we. So it will be we walk in the evening. But Suman is a third person, right? So when there is a third person singular, we put s or es to the main verb. So Suman runs in the garden. Right. Now let's convert this into present perfect. Now recollect what are the keys for this. For present perfect, we are using have or has. So this will be we have. Now third form, V3 form will be walked. So we have walked in the evening. So for Suman, she, girl, third person. So it will be she has run in the garden. Clear, children? And now next is present perfect continuous. So just recollect what are the keys. Yes, have, been and ing to the base form. So we have been walking in the evening. Now Suman has been running in the garden. So children, again look at the simple present tense because we is a first person plural, no changed, but Suman third person, the verb changed to s. यहाँ पे s लगाया गया है, right? Similarly, look at present perfect tense. Why we have होता है and Suman has because Suman is a third person. लड़की है, एक लड़की है, so it is has. Okay. So now the next, he ate an apple. They wrote answers. Okay, tell me. Yes, it's a past tense, simple past tense. So first I will find out the base form. My verb is ate, so base form is eat, I know. Here the verb is wrote, so base form is write. So immediately in your mind say eat, ate, eaten, write, wrote, written. So now to convert this into past continuous, now we know which are the helping verb, was and were. Was for singular, were for plural. So now this become he was eating an apple. Clear? And now they यानी बहुत सारे लोग हैं, plural है. So they were writing answers. Clear, children? So now the next is past perfect. Again past perfect में क्या होता है? Past tense of have और has होता है had. He के साथ भी had ही जाएगा. So eat, ate and eaten. So this will be he had eaten an apple. चलिए now here they के साथ भी had ही जाएगा. But base form जो write है उसका V3 form होगा write, wrote, written. So the sentence will be they had written answers. Clear? Okay, so now let's convert this to past perfect continuous tense. So what are the keys? Recollect? Yes, had, been and ing to the base form. So again, he had been eating an apple. So what will be for the they? They had been writing answers. So children, isn't it easy? Yes, it's very easy if you follow the trick. So now children, the next sentence. You will have completed the project. And the second, Samir will have gone to London. Think. Yes, it is will and have completed. So it's a future perfect tense. So now let's convert to simple future. So first, find out the base word complete. Second is go. Go. So now for simple future, rule is will and verb. So you will complete the project. Now Samir will go to London. Okay. Coming to future continuous. So what are the keys for this? Will, be and ing to the verb. So you will be completing the project and Samir will be going to London. Okay, now coming to the fourth form, that is future perfect continuous. So we know we put will, have, been and ing to the base form. So you will have been completing the project. Samir will have been going to London. So it is easy, children. So do you want to practice more? So children, next sentence. You are talking in the evening. Kapil is playing in the garden. Yes, identify. You are correct. Present continuous tense. So now let's convert to simple present and the remaining form. First job, find the base form, that is talk. It is play. Just recollect, talk, talked, talked, play, played, played. So you should know the base form also. Now for simple present tense, here you is second person. So we write you talk in the evening. Whereas Kapil is a third person singular. एक लड़का है, हम कपिल की बात कर रहे हैं. So we put s to the main verb. Kapil plays in the garden. Here for play we put s. Now present perfect. The keys are have or has plus V3 form. So you have talked in the evening and Kapil has played in the garden. Now again have, because you is second person, Kapil is third person. Now coming to present perfect continuous, keys are have or has plus been and ing to the base form. So you have been talking in the evening and Kapil has been playing in the garden. So you can see the difference when the pronoun is in the second person and when it is in the third person. Kapil, we are talking about Kapil, how the changes are there in simple present, in the present continuous and here in the present perfect. You के साथ are होता है, कपिल के साथ is जाएगा. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में यू के साथ हैव होता है, कपिल के साथ हैज. कपिल के बदले और कोई लड़का भी रहेगा, लड़की भी रहेगी तो भी रहेगा हैज. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, ही गॉट एन एप्पल, दे टोल्ड आंसर्स. इट्स अ सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. सो नाउ फर्स्ट चिल्ड्रन यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि बेस फॉर्म क्या होगा कॉट का. यस, कॉट का बेस फॉर्म होगा कैच और टोल्ड का होगा टेल. तो यहां आपको ध्यान रखना है बेस फॉर्म. सो नाउ टू कन्वर्ट इनटू पास्ट कंटिन्यूस, हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या होंगे, वॉज या तो वर्ब. ही के साथ हमेशा वॉज जाएगा. नाउ रिकलेक्ट, कैच को हमें लगाना है ing. सो ही वॉज कैचिंग एन एप्पल. पर दे बहुत सारे लोग हैं, थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल है. सो दे वर और बेस फॉर्म होगा टेल, they were telling answers. Now once you know this, past perfect is very easy क्योंकि यहाँ पर सभी के लिए had लगाना होता है. And we know catch, caught, caught third form रहेगा. Tell, told, told वो भी third form रहेगा. So this is he had caught an apple, they had told answers. Now past perfect continuous, again had तो वही रहेगा. We will put been and ing to the base form. See, I am repeating this thing because in past tense you may make mistake of writing caughting, tolding. नहीं, base form recollect करना बहुत जरूरी है. So this will be he had been catching an apple and they had been telling answers. Okay. Now the next one. You will have driven the truck. Dheeraj will have spoken to him. Yes, it's a future perfect tense. चलो, first find out the base form क्या होता है इसका, drive, and spoken का होगा speak. Okay, so for simple future, will, shall, will या तो shall and the base form. So we write you will drive the truck. And here Dheeraj will speak to him. See, will and the verb. Now coming to future continuous. Will be plus ing to the base form. So you will be driving the truck. Dheeraj will be speaking to him. Is it clear, children? So in case of future continuous, don't forget to put be. And future perfect continuous tense, we know, will have been and ing to the base form. So you will have been driving the truck. Dheeraj will have been speaking to him. So children, this transformation is easy if you really be very alert and you need to know all the three forms of the verbs. So if you don't know, you can watch my video on the verb form. Learn at least 100 verbs which we are using in day-to-day life. And yes, do practice and be perfect. Thank you so much.